How do you make shrimp rolls so it's super tasty and low carb? You have to check out my Swiss chard shrimp roll recipe.
It's healthy, refreshing, and it's super tasty. Let's get started!
In a food processor, add the de-veined shrimp and blend it until it becomes a paste. You can also mince it with a knife. Then add the ginger, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Blend them together. Add a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag in a glass. Put the filling inside. Seal the opening and cut open the tip. Cut up the stems of Swiss chard. Cut the stems into thin slices. In a pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil. Blanch the leaves until softened for about 10 seconds. Gently remove and place them in cold water to stop cooking. Drain. We're going to lay the Swiss chard flat. Squeeze the filling at the bottom corner. Add some carrots and the stems on it. And we're going to roll it up. Fold in the two sides and roll it up all the way. Do the same with the rest and place them on a plate. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. And transfer the shrimp rolls inside. Cover the lid and steam until completely cooked through for about 6 minutes. Carefully remove the plate. Add the finger hot peppers, garlic, and scallions. In a small pan over high heat, pour the oil inside. Heat it up until smoking hot. It helps to add more aromas to the dish. You could also opt it out. Add the hot oil over the finger hot peppers, garlic, and scallions. Lastly, add the soy sauce inside. Here are some fun facts about Swiss chard. It's rich in vitamins K, A, C, and antioxidants, but it's low in calories. You might think it's originated in Switzerland, but it's actually native to the Mediterranean. Happy cooking and enjoy!
This is amazing. The Swiss chard is a little sweet. The shrimp is really bouncy, aromatic, a perfect combination right here. I love it. I hope that you have enjoyed this episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!